We congratulated Puntland's leaders for the recent successful investment conference and the start of the Ethiopian Airlines flight over the summer. Both offer positive signals of economic revival in Puntland. We also learned about preparations for the new Puntland Development Plan, and we look forward to collaborating on that initiative. These are solid examples of the Puntland government's commitment to economic and social development and to democratization, which we applaud. We commend Puntland for its ongoing efforts to degrade al-Shabaab, relying mainly on its own forces and financial resources. And we thank President Deni for his earlier efforts to mend the relations between the federal government and federal member states, for example, by convening the Gaarka meeting in May. Puntlanders are rightly proud of the progress they have made in the past 21 years.